Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to level up your lab research or central console in Heartopia. First, just go to the central square like this, and then just enter the lab building. It's located near Dorothy's shop like this one. Just enter the lab, and then just just tap on the control console. This one. Just tap on it, and then in here you can upgrade your lab level, but you can upgrade it only if your progress points are full in here. And to fill this upgrade progress, you need to collect the lab energy. You can get this lab energy by doing research using the research device on here, this one. If you don't know how to use it yet, just check the link in the description to watch the tutorial. And then after your progress bar is full, the upgrade button will be completely filled on here. The upgrade button will be active on here. And usually you will also need some code to upgrade it. And then for the node, the lab feature will only unlocks after you reach level 27. So just make sure you reach the level 27 first to use this lab feature. And okay, that's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.